Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download videos from Telegram app on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. Let's get to our topic. Actually, the process of downloading videos from Telegram app to your phone is very simple. And now I will show you how it is done. First, of course, you need to open the Telegram app. Then, when you find the video you want to download, you tap on it and hold it down. And when you get a window like this, you choose to save the video. After that, the video will be saved. Or you can open the video, click on the three dots at the top. And just like that, you can find it here. Save video. No matter which method you use, the video will be saved. And to check this, you can go to the gallery of the phone. And as you can see, this video has been saved to our iPhone gallery. This is the very simple way you can download videos from Telegram to your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comment. See you soon.